With all the regulations coming, do you think privacy coins will be the next thing? Monero and Verge, maybe the new ones on ETH, like OWL, Stealth Protocol. Okay, so um, I mean, I'm not sure, but privacy coins have been acting almost like stable coins during the correction. I know Bill covered Monero in the weekly newsletter analysis. So let's take a look at Monero, Verge, uh, OWL. I've not heard much of OWL, but here we can pull up Monero price predictions, as Bill also pulls that up on his end. So if we go to Monero here, and the other one was Verge. So let's pull them up here on Token Metrics and go straight to price predictions. Okay, yeah, so yeah, Monero has had a pretty good September, right? Actually, the price has been higher than our predictions, and our predictions have it going as high as 119, basically 120. And if we go to Verge, let's see if Verge fares the same. Okay, maybe not quite the same, but it is, so it's at 0.004. Prediction have it actually going down and then going back up. So basically just being flat. So not bearish, but not so bullish. But Monero has been doing pretty well. Bill, what's your take with the TA for Monero and Verge?
Okay, so let's go to Monero. Let me just pull this up here. Okay, so Monero's leading the pack. Okay, Monero has had this, the entire time, all of 2019 to 2020, Monero's been making this formation where bears or selling, or I don't know, everyone's been trying to sort of hold this thing down. And it's not working. And probably the biggest commercial for Monero was when, I don't know, the IRS offered all this money to try and hack it as a reward. Mm-hmm. Normally, when you have these downward sloping formations that make squares or triangles, the market will travel the width of the formation from the point of the breakout. You're like, oh my God, it's been an hour show. What are you talking about? You give me a headache. Okay, that's why TradingView's got this function where these little blue lines, okay, so I can say the formation was so big and that will lead to a move to 150. So I think Monero can go to 150. I think when it comes to Verge, okay, I'm not getting the same vibe. Okay, I don't have a formation necessarily that's popping out at me. Okay, but this is pretty beat up. I don't think every privacy coin can win, right? It's a little bit worrying that, if all the privacy coins are moving and this one isn't, mm-hmm. That's a little bit of a concern. I'm not freaking out. Okay. Certainly as a value investor, you might want to take a look at it, right? Because we have looked at coins that have not moved. Because, Verge used to be a lot higher in price. Yeah. So, what I'm saying? So I can look at it this way. It doesn't look like much, but if you look at it this way, it's like, wow, a privacy coin lottery ticket. Okay. Yeah. There's going to be a new term. Okay. It's going to be called bail-in. Bailout was 2008. 2021 is going to be called bail-in. And that's going to be governments going into your bank account and just taking some of your money. Yeah. We're not going to, you don't have to file taxes. We're just taking it. And, I think that's why some of these coins are doing well. I also think there's inflation in the emerging market world. Dash, which shows up in a lot of our AI portfolios. Okay, very big in Venezuela, accepted by fast food restaurants there. There may be adoption in privacy coins in terms of using them to pay for things. not just because of privacy. So, because again, you know, whatever started in Venezuela may become a trend elsewhere, including here. Okay, everyone's like, what's the 2021 prediction? Everyone acts like when 2020 is over, everything that's unpleasant in 2020 will no longer be true. No. If everybody thinks the same thing, it's wrong. So this privacy theme could have legs, and it's worth doing the homework, which is why I've been doing the homework.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Bill.